Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve Rakin here. Welcome back to video number 5 of this free 6-part Poshmark workshop. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this series so far. In this video, in video number 5, Karen and Jason are going to be teaching you guys some really cool stuff pertaining to shipping on Poshmark. Now, whether you are a brand new Poshmark seller, you've never done it before, this video is gonna be really valuable to you. But if you're like an eBay seller and you might be thinking, I already know how to ship, it's the same thing, shipping. I'm gonna tell you right now, that's not true, and you are gonna learn some cool things in this video because shipping on Poshmark is completely different than eBay. So you're definitely gonna wanna check out this video. Also in this video, they share with you some really cool tips for shipping that's gonna help you to get repeat customers because they're gonna be blown away when they get the packages. So be sure to watch this video in full, and if you haven't already signed up for our email list, be sure to go down below and do that right now, rakinprofit.com/Poshmark, because we've got a lot of cool videos that aren't gonna be posted on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. It's only gonna be going to the email list. Plus we have some more bonuses and resources that are gonna be coming your way over the next couple of weeks. So be sure before you move on to the video to sign up for that now. But without further ado, Jason and Karen, let me hand it off to you and let's get into the video.
What's up everyone? Welcome to video 5 of the free Poshmark workshop.
We are going to show you how to package your Poshmark packages properly. Whoa, say that 5 times fast. I can't.
All right, let's get into it.
Let's do this.
So we always start out with a little bit of tissue paper. Karen uses pink tissue paper for her packages because these are mostly going to women. So she's gonna wrap it in tissue paper real quick.
I hope these are going to a woman. I really hope.
Just like you wrap a present. It's real simple.
It's very simple.
If I can do it, anyone can do it.
Oh my goodness. Your Christmas packages or presents are gonna get better this year because of this. We don't just want to shove it in a box.
You want to make it look nice, presentable, and if people are paying top dollar for this stuff. They're not paying eBay prices. They're paying Poshmark prices. So they're putting a little more money into it. So the presentation is key.
Wait for this one. Boom. I have a set up.
Yeah, she got that for Christmas. She was super excited about that.
He was like, "What do you want for Christmas?" I was like, like an arts and crafts spool. And he's like, "What? Just send me a link." And then I have a little thank you card that goes on it.
These are all printed from Vistaprint, so we got like 1,500 of them for one price. It's
yeah.
She used to handwrite out thank you cards, but it would take forever and her hands would cramp up like crazy. So we went to the Vistaprint method, which is a lot more efficient
and cheaper. Like in the long run, we get enough cards. Yeah. And so, ooh, prize? You call it a prize?
I call it a prize. That is the free prize at the bottom of every cereal box.
I only do this on packages that are $15 or more because, like, granted the pencil is, what did I think it was? Like,
you get like 10 for $1.
12 for $1. So yeah, change, but still, I $15 and above, they get a prize of a pencil. Very simple.
Curl the ribbon and stick it in the box.
Stick it in a box. Look at that, I have a handy
Now you can use any type of box, any type of USPS box to ship with Poshmark. It can be priority, it can be flat rate, it can be regional.
Yeah, but this is flat
any
rate.
box will work. They have a deal with the post office so that all boxes are working for shipping.
Anything but express. Anything red.
And it's all $6.49 for anything under 5 pounds. If it's over 5 pounds, you need to upgrade the shipping label, but the majority of the stuff we send out is under 5 pounds, so it's always going to be at that $6.49 price point.
Give me a pretty tape. It says package with Posh Love. So they know when they see it at their door what
that is their excellent Poshmark package.
Yeah.
As you can tell, she takes a lot of pride in wrapping her packages.
Like a ninja.
This is what gets us repeat buyers. This is what gets people coming back to our closet to buy again and again is the packaging that she does.
Now we have a thermal printer, but you can also print PDF and just print it right out of your actual printer. Either way is fine. Poshmark allows both formats. All right, next.
All right, so we got a sale from both closets today, so I am going to wrap up a men's sale.
And
as you can tell, I use the green tissue paper. We sold the nice Nuatag shorts. Got them at Costco, sold them for never wore them, so we sold them.
He raided his own closet.
Yeah. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just wrapping it with tissue paper. Mine's a little sloppier than hers sometimes because I'm a guy. But I don't think the guys that are getting these packages mind that too much. So.
He doesn't use ribbon.
No, I use twine with my package. No pink ribbon.
No pink ribbon. No green ribbon either. He does use more tape. Stay on there. Definitely not moving.
My glasses are falling off my nose. Once that's done, we just flip it over and wrap it with twine. We're running out of twine.
No, I have another spool for you. Mr. Prince.
Yeah, chop it
Look
up.
at that.
Teamwork. There's no me and team. Oh wait, that's not how it works. Oh yeah, the card. Shoot.
Penguin.
And I put my card in there. I almost forgot. Put the Posh Penguin card in there. It's got nothing on the back. Similar. It's just very simple. Posh Penguin. So we brand every package.
We kind of have a thing for birds, apparently. Birds of a feather and all that stuff. So penguin and flamingo, they don't really have anything to do with one another, but they're birds.
And then I just tie it in a neat little bow and stick it in a box.
His are a little easier.
Mine are a little more simple, yeah. So it's very simple, minimalistic. It's nothing complicated. Everyone can do this.
More manly.
More manly, yeah.
More
we don't
manly.
just take tissue paper or anything like that for the men.
Nope, no posh love for him.
And this is a priority mailbox. Again, you can use any box.
Not flat rate, it's just regular priority. Any box. Did you do it again?
Yeah,
you did it again.
There we go. Sometimes the tape gives me a little trouble.
It's a lot of tape. You love tape.
I love tape.
Yeah.
And I don't use the package with Posh Love tape. I don't really think that is appropriate for guys' packages, so I don't use that.
I'm a girly girl.
And then slap the label on it. We have a thermal printer, so this makes shipping a lot more efficient. We're not using all the ink from our printer anymore. We're using just regular, this uses no ink and the labels just stick right on. So we're not wasting tape and we're not wasting ink. But that is pretty much how you wrap a Poshmark package.